Hey ladies, it's Melissa from Nail Candy. Let's do an accent nail with Color Street. First, you will need to wipe down your nails with the prep pad that comes in your kit. Then choose the colors you would like to use and make sure you take the clear plastic off the top layer. If you have short nails, take the color you are using as your base color and cut it in half. Now we're going to begin with your design color. Remove it from the paper backing and then cut the strip into a point. Now move your scissors below your first cut and make a second set of lines to complete your design. Then carefully place your design onto your base color and remove the strip from the backing and place it on your nail right below the cuticle line. Gently rub your nail strip. It will magically adhere to your nail using your body heat. Now we need to clean up the edges. Take your thumbnail and use it as a cutting tool. Press around the sides and bottom of your nail to remove all the extra. The final step is to file the edges, and you do this in a downward motion. And look at that, all done. Don't they look fabulous? The best part is they are already dry and they will last up to 10 days. Shout out to Color Street because these were quick and easy. You can get your own nail polish strips on my website, www.nailcandy.shop. Thanks for watching.